Garci, tip of the iceberg to, no? Napakarami pang ibang lalabas diyan. Number 2, walang nandadaya sa eleksyon na hindi corruption ang kasunod. Election cheating is the mother of corruption. That's why it's important if we get the election cheats, you solve a big part of the corruption issue. That's why importante, we follow the paper trail, we follow the witnesses, we go after election cheats.
Right to remain silent and right against self-incrimination. And then in-invoke din nila yung poor health condition, and then pamilya ng pamilya. So may strategy lang ba yun para mapagtakpan?
Yung right against self-incrimination, guaranteed yan ng Constitution at ng rules ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Pero empowered ang committee to decide whether tama ang pag-invoke o hindi. And yung official acts nila ay kailangan nila sagutin to, or kung hindi, may ibang witnesses naman na ilalabas ito, no? But I'm happy that the Senate investigated this kasi hindi lalabas to kung hindi ginawa ng Senado. So let me encourage again the Executive Department, together in partnership with NGOs, private lawyers, and the media, we can have thorough investigations if we want. So tignan nyo yung ginawa ng DOJ sa carnapping halimbawa, di ba? Very open yung investigation, ginawa ng House of Representatives. So sana, ito ang gawin sa Hello Garcia 2007 cheating.
So di ba gusto lang nilang pagtakpan din si GMA or yan?
Style GMA ang nangyayari talaga sa mga iniimbestigahan sa PCSO, di ba, na sinasabing tapos na yung issue or may sakit or hindi pwede mag-attend, di ba? But actually, all you have to do is answer the questions.
Sir, last na lang. Ilang bishops asking Pinoy and PCSO chair Puripon na mag-apologize dahil sa false accusation na Pajero Bishop. Kasi na rin nawala naman po ng
Naintindihan ko yung feeling ng mga bishops at yung pag-use ng word pajero, making, ay masakit yan sa ordinaryong tao. Ano pa kaya yung nag-aalaga ng isang flock, no? Sa isang religious leaders. But in the same manner that inintindi tayo ng mga bishops, we're asking the bishop for understanding. We have to have a thorough investigation. Pabayaan muna natin matapos lahat to. At kung meron mga collateral damage o tinatamaan, hindi sadya yun. Pero dun sa mga naging reckless, dapat lang naman magkaroon talaga ng apology, no? Kung reckless yung accusation, no? But yung mga simple mistakes or ilabas muna natin lahat ng facts, di ba? And then saka tayo magsabi sinong guilty, sinong isente, ano yung reckless statements and everything, no? But let me express my sympathy and understanding sa bishops of being dragged into this. But please let them also understand that these are public funds, eh. So, hindi pwedeng hindi tignan ng Senado at hindi pwedeng hindi maging thorough ang investigation. But I think they would agree that they were given all courtesy when they were in the Senate.
So, no reason
Kung naging, well, for the word na pajero. Kasi napatunayan naman na hindi naman yon. So, at the very least, a clarification that mali yung accusation na ano ka. But, you know, may mga SUVs, may pera talaga, meron talagang hingi na pa-birthday ito. So, hindi mo masisi ang Malacanang at saka ang iba na gawin tong accusation na to. Okay? Thank you.